When your transmission starts slipping or gets stuck in gear out of nowhere, it is a sign that your pressure control solenoid J is failing you. The P281F trouble code is a serious warning from your powertrain control module that the automatic transmission cannot properly regulate fluid pressure. Inside your transmission there is a complex dance of fluid being directed by these solenoids to move bands and clutches that change your gears. If solenoid J encounters a general malfunction, your car might suddenly enter limp mode where it feels like you have no power, or it might shift so hard it feels like you got rear-ended. You will notice the check engine light is on, and you might even think the engine is misfiring because the shifts are so erratic. This code usually pops up because of dirty or contaminated transmission fluid that has clogged the internal filter or the solenoid itself. In more serious cases, the transmission pump or the valve body might be failing, which prevents the fluid from reaching the right pressure. Start by checking your transmission fluid level and look at the color and smell, because if it looks dark or smells burnt, you have a bigger problem than just a sensor. Check your service records to see when the last fluid and filter change was done. You should also do a detailed visual inspection of the wiring harness leading to the transmission, because these wires are exposed to a lot of heat and vibration. Using a digital multimeter, you can check for 0 ohms of resistance to ensure the electrical path to the solenoid is clear. If the fluid is clean and the wiring is perfect, the solenoid or the transmission pump might need professional replacement. If you keep driving with a pressure issue, you risk overheating the transmission and causing thousands of dollars in damage. Taking it to a shop for a professional flush or a solenoid swap now can save your transmission from a total rebuild later. Make sure your transmission has the pressure it needs to keep you moving through the gears without a hitch.